Getting ready for Easter but tired of the same old egg designs every year? Wondering how to turn simple eggs into eye-catching Easter decor? Looking for creative, easy and unique Easter egg design ideas for all ages? Need inspiration that works for kids, adults and even elegant home decor? Curious how to mix tradition, creativity and fun into one Easter celebration? Then stay right here, because today we're diving into Easter egg design ideas that will spark creativity, bring smiles, and make your Easter celebrations unforgettable. What makes Easter egg designs so special? Easter egg designs symbolize new beginnings, creativity, and joy. Decorating eggs allows you to express personality through colors, patterns, and themes while keeping the festive spirit alive. Whether simple or detailed, each design adds charm to Easter traditions. It's a creative activity that brings families together year after year. What are the easiest Easter egg designs for beginners? Simple designs like solid pastel colors, polka dots, stripes, or minimal line art are perfect for beginners. Using stickers, washi tape, or sponge dabbing makes decorating effortless. These designs still look beautiful and festive without requiring artistic skills. Even first-timers can create stunning results. If you're enjoying these ideas, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who loves Easter crafts. How can kids create fun Easter egg designs? Kids can decorate eggs using crayons, washable paints, glitter glue, and cartoon faces. Let them draw smiles, animals, or patterns freely to boost creativity. Mess-free options like stickers and temporary tattoos work great too. It turns Easter egg decorating into a joyful family activity. What are some cute cartoon-themed Easter egg ideas? Cartoon-inspired eggs like bunnies, chicks, superheroes, or emoji faces are always a hit. Using bold colors and simple facial expressions makes them instantly recognizable. These designs are especially popular with kids and look adorable in Easter baskets. They also make great party decorations. Which Easter egg design style do you love most? Cute, elegant, or creative? Tell us in the comments. How can I make elegant Easter egg designs for home decor? Elegant Easter egg designs use soft color palettes like white, beige, gold, or blush. Adding floral patterns, gold leaf accents, or delicate brush strokes creates a classy look. These eggs work beautifully as table centerpieces or shelf decor. Perfect for a modern or minimal Easter setup. What are creative no-paint Easter egg design ideas? You can design eggs using fabric wraps, lace, yarn, or twine without paint. Decoupage with napkins or paper designs adds texture and detail effortlessly. Natural elements like leaves pressed onto eggs give an organic look. These ideas are great for mess-free decorating. For more creative craft ideas like this, check out our Easter Crafts playlist linked in the description below. How do I create pastel-themed Easter eggs? Pastel Easter eggs are made using soft shades like mint, lavender, baby pink, and sky blue. You can dip eggs lightly or blend colors for an ombre effect. Adding white details or minimal designs enhances their charm. These eggs are timeless and perfect for classic Easter decor. What are trendy modern Easter egg designs? Modern Easter egg designs focus on abstract patterns, geometric lines, and neutral tones. Black and white designs or muted color palettes give a contemporary feel. Using minimal brush strokes or matte finishes keeps it stylish. These eggs are ideal for Instagram-worthy displays. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more trendy, creative, and festive decor ideas every week. How can I make glitter Easter egg designs without mess? Use glue patterns first, then sprinkle glitter gently over the egg using a tray underneath. Let it dry fully before handling to avoid spreading glitter everywhere. You can also use glitter pens for better control. This method keeps things neat while adding sparkle. What are nature-inspired Easter egg design ideas? Nature-inspired designs include florals, leaves, butterflies, and earthy textures. You can wrap eggs with leaves and dye them for natural prints. Soft greens and browns add a calming touch. These designs bring an outdoor spring vibe to your Easter decor. Love this kind of inspiration? You'll find more similar Easter and craft videos linked in the description. How do I make Easter egg designs for gifting? For gifting, focus on neat, detailed designs with coordinated colors. Adding names, initials, or short messages makes eggs more personal. Place them in decorative boxes or baskets for a polished look. Handmade eggs always feel extra special as gifts. Can Easter egg designs be eco-friendly? Yes, eco-friendly Easter egg designs use natural dyes like turmeric, beetroot, or spinach. Reusable wooden or ceramic eggs are also great alternatives. Avoid plastic decorations and choose biodegradable materials. Eco-friendly crafting makes Easter both beautiful and responsible. Want the exact tools and materials used in this video? You'll find all the products linked in the description below. How can I make glow-up Easter egg designs? Glow-up Easter egg designs use metallic paints, neon colors, or glow-in-the-dark accents. These eggs look stunning under soft lighting or at night. Adding bold contrasts makes them stand out instantly. Perfect for modern Easter parties or photos. What are last-minute Easter egg design ideas? Last-minute designs include sticker eggs, marker doodles, or single-colour dips. Using tape to create quick patterns works fast and looks clean. These ideas save time while still looking festive. Perfect when Easter is just around the corner. How can I display Easter egg designs beautifully? Display eggs in baskets, glass bowls, egg stands, or as table centerpieces. Mixing different design styles adds visual interest. You can even hang lightweight eggs as decor. A thoughtful display makes all your hard work shine. Easter egg designs are more than just a tradition. They're a celebration of creativity, color, and togetherness. Whether you love cute, elegant, modern, or eco-friendly styles, there's a design for everyone. Start simple, experiment freely, and most importantly, enjoy the process. This Easter, let your eggs tell a story as beautiful as the celebration itself. If this video inspired you, hit the like button and share it with friends who love Easter crafts. Comment below and tell us which Easter egg design you're excited to try this year. Explore our full Easter crafts playlist, packed with creative ideas, linked in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more festive decor, craft ideas, and creative inspiration. You'll find more similar Easter and DIY videos waiting for you in the description. All the tools and materials used in this video are conveniently linked in the description below.